Good boy. Dexter got a delivery. It's his April 2022 Barkbox. Let's see. The theme of this box is Jackpawt. Oh, and he is such a good unboxer. He's like, okay, let's get into it. And he pulled out his first toy, which looks like some tokens for a casino, poker, chips. Is that what they're called? But so here is Dexter's monthly dog toy and treat subscription box that he has been getting for a long time. He has so many toys now, but he loves this box so much that I just cannot stop getting it for him. And so he gets 2 toys in each box. Let's see what the other toy is. What's this one, honey? Oh, I can't even tell. It's like a little doll of sorts. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Every month is a different theme, and it's always such a fun surprise to see the theme. He also gets chews and treats. Oh my gosh, I feel like he's gotten this type of chew for like the past several boxes. The pumpkin and honey recipe chews. And then there are 2 bags of treats in here, which he loves all the different treats as well. These are Moo Moo jerky bars, which I think he has had before. And then he also has here Gobble Jerky squares. He is loving these toys already. That is so cute. And then I love the packaging. It also shows you on the bottom all of the different toy options for the month. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. The little martini, they're all adorable. Oh my gosh, such a funny and adorable theme. And Dexter's unboxings are very quick because he has to get right to the point. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in my next video. Dexter!